Imagine this: the photos gathering digital dust on your phone, the videos you shot on vacation, or even the designs you crafted at 2 a.m. could actually make you money every month. And not just a few bucks. Some contributors earn thousands of dollars from this website. Yes, thousands of dollars. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of stock content creation, and more specifically, how you can make money by selling your photos, videos, and graphics on Shutterstock. Stock photography has become a booming industry, and now is a better time than ever to start making money. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobby, like it's your hobby, or even just someone with a smartphone and an eye for detail, this video will show you step by step how to set up your Shutterstock portfolio, what content sells best, and some insider tips to maximize your earnings. All right. So first off, what exactly is Shutterstock? It was founded in 2003. Shutterstock is a stock content platform where people from all over the world, where all creators buy and sell royalty-free images, videos, music, and illustrations. The beauty of Shutterstock is that anyone can join as a contributor, and you earn money every time someone licenses your content. And here is a fascinating stat. Shutterstock has paid out over $1 billion to contributors. That's a whole lot of cash up for grabs if you know how to play the game right. Alright, let's get into how you can start selling on Shutterstock. First of all, you will need to create a contributor account. Don't worry, it's free and there are no hidden fees involved. Simply go to this address I'm going to leave in the description box and follow the steps to create your contributor profile. So when you click on the link that I'm going to leave in the description box, it brings you to this page. You can see where it says share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. So to get started, first of all, to become a contributor, you need to create high quality images and videos for your customers to download. So you're going to upload your content with their easy to use platform and get tips for success. And then you're going to make money every time your content is downloaded by one of their worldwide customers. Again, you also earn even more by referring new contributors and customers. Remember, almost all the videos you see on YouTube, Instagram, and other places, other social media, people come here to either buy the images or download them, either way. Okay, so but when they subscribe or pay for the licenses, you get paid. And the Shutterstock gives millions of customers access to your work. And you're going to even see your content around the world, even on billboards or in movies. So how to get started? You want to click on sign up and begin the sign up process. So it's going to ask you for your full name, your email address, and password. So for your full name, you're going to make sure that you're going to enter the same name as it appears in your ID and also in your bank details. So don't enter, okay, this is your full name here and your display name. So don't mistake these two. This is your full name and this is your display name. This is like a username, but this one in particular is your full name. So you need to make sure it's going to correspond with the name on your bank details and your ID, so that you will not miss your payment. Guys, it's very important. So make sure you enter the same thing, the same name that you entered here while creating the account. So after entering your email, your password, then You can also click on get the whole picture. Please send me emails with trends, offers, and announcements. And then you click on this one. I certify that I am 18 or older and agree to the terms of service. You can also go and read it. Okay. And then you click on get started. Then they're going to send you a link that you're going to click on your email to verify your account. After doing that, it now brings you to the sign up. It then brings you to your homepage. This is my homepage after signing up. This is what it looks like. So for now, I have submitted 2 photos waiting for approval. So you need to come here, click on earnings, click on payment history. You can see that no payments have been sent yet. Okay. You will see your payout history here. Once you've reached the minimum payout amount, the default minimum payout amount is $25 for PayPal, Skrill, or Payoneer. Meanwhile, $500 is the minimum for checks. You can adjust your minimum payout amount in your account setting. So when you click on this account setting, this is going to be where you're going to update your details. And if you want to increase your minimum payout, you can do so. So my payout method is PayPal. That is what I've selected. So for this one, licensing option, image licensing, yes, video licensing, yes. Click yes for all these ones because you're selling whatever you're uploading, right? This is very important. This is going to be your referral link. So when you invite fellow artists, like if you sign up now using my link, I'm going to earn 0.04 cents on images and 10% on videos when an artist signs up with your link and their work is downloaded. That's if your work is downloaded. So if you refer someone, you're going to make a little money, 10% on the videos and 0.04 cents on images. So here you're going to share your work with buyers. If you eventually get buyers to pay for this, you're also going to earn 20% up to $200 on customers' first payment when they use your link to sign up. So you can share your link on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can share this on all your social media handles. You can share them on TikTok. So once people sign up with it, you get paid. For your portfolio, this is where you submit content. Guys, upload videos every day. Go out, take pictures of animals, buildings, cities, village, like pictures in the local areas in the cities. Just take pictures, upload. Once they review it and it's approved, it's gonna be here in your collections. And if anyone searches for it and buys or pays for the licensing, you get paid. Okay, so this is where you check your performance metrics. You're also going to submit your tax info. So for US tax purposes, you're going to answer these questions, and let's see. No. So we are contributing as individual, not a business. Then you submit. Then once you're signed up, Shutterstock will review your account and ask you to submit a few samples. So don't worry. They're just checking to make sure your content meets, their quality standards. Now, here's the $1 million question that you've been waiting for. What type of content actually sell on Shutterstock? According to top Shutterstock contributors, some of the most in-demand categories are people, business and technology, lifestyle, nature, travel destinations, and food. So basically anything that tells a story or has high emotional appeal does really well on Shutterstock. But don't just limit yourself to these popular categories. All right, so you need to think outside the box. Everyday moments, unique perspectives, even abstract concepts are all highly sought after. As one top earner put it, a shot of mundane objects like a spoon can be worth more than an exotic landscape if it meets a buyer's need. Now that you know what sells, let's talk about some tips to make sure your content actually gets noticed and, more importantly, purchased. All right, Shutterstock has millions of images, so quality matters. That's the number one thing. Buyers want crisp, clear, high resolution images. So make sure you're using the best equipment you have available, even if it's just a smartphone with a high quality camera. 2, stay updated with trends. Like right now, remote work setups, mental health teams, and diverse cultural representation are huge sellers. Shutterstock even releases a trend report every year, so use it. Another one is keywords. Keywords are key. Think like a buyer. If you uploaded a picture of a laptop on a desk, what would people search for? Think of descriptive terms like remote work, digital nomad, home office setup, and add them to your tags. Another one is think beyond photos. Shutterstock also accepts videos, vector illustrations, and even music. Videos in particular are often more profitable since they are more challenging to produce and fewer contributors focus on them. For example, 5 to 10 second clips of cityscapes, nature scenes, or everyday activities can sell for a good price. And here's a great quote to keep in mind, guys. The more you diversify, the more you earn. By offering different content types, you increase your chances of making consistent sales. Alright, here's the big question. How much money can you actually make from Shutterstock? Shutterstock pays out based on licensing fees. So every time a customer buys a license for your image, you earn a percentage. Earnings vary. New contributors may earn around 0.25 cents to 0.40 cents per download, but as you sell more, your commission rate goes up. One of the top Shutterstock contributors, Alexei Titarenko, said, "It's a marathon, not a sprint. So focus on consistency, and over time, you will see significant growth in your earnings." Some contributors earn around $500 a month. Others make $2,000 to $5,000. There's real potential, guys. Here's how you can maximize your earnings once you've started making sales. Number one is regular uploads signals to Shutterstock's algorithm that you're an active contributor. So aim to upload new content every week. Remember to optimize your titles and tags so buyers can find your work. Think strategically and cover as many relevant search terms as possible. Don't underestimate the value of connecting with other contributors. The community is full of helpful tips, and the Shutterstock forums are a great place to learn and share ideas. So there are lots of potentials on selling on Shutterstock. Alright everyone, that's it. By now, you should have a solid game plan for starting your own Shutterstock like I've started. Remember, it's all about patience and consistency. Take a step. Even a handful of photos could start generating passive income for you guys, alright, over time. It's not gonna come easy, so grab your camera, brainstorm some creative ideas, and start building your Shutterstock portfolio today. Who knows? Your next shot might just be the one that brings in, the cash for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and share your progress in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're doing. Okay, so guys, I'll see you in the next video.